In day 4, we learned that an AI workflow follows steps from input to output. Today, we learn what an AI agent is. An AI agent can receive a goal, choose an action, use a tool, and return a result. An AI agent starts with a goal. In this example, the goal is to help a beginner review AI learning progress. This function works like a simple tool. The agent can use it to check what the beginner has already learned. After the tool returns progress, another function creates a simple next step recommendation. Inside the agent function, the system receives the goal and decides to use the learning progress checker tool. This is still a simple simulation, not a real autonomous AI agent. The agent uses the tool, receives progress, creates advice, and prints the final answer. Now I run the file, and Python prints the goal, the agent decision, the tool result, and the final answer. The output shows the agent pattern. It receives a goal, chooses a tool, uses the tool, and returns a final answer. Today you learned that an AI agent can choose actions and use tools toward a goal. Next, we will start connecting these AI concepts into a simple AI application.